What's new, AU? My name is Trey Wood with Facilities Management Communications, and this is phase 2 of the quad renovations featuring Teague and Little, a collaboration between Student Affairs and Facilities Management.
What we've done is, from an exterior perspective, we kept the original characteristics of the buildings that were built between 1932 and 1936 within these buildings. But once you walk into the building, the only other thing that has stayed the same is the fireplace and the common area. But other than that, we have renovated every inch of this space. We have now provided you a more upgraded feel, Wi-Fi devices in in practically every other room. The bathrooms are freshly renovated is now a shower versus a tub. Brand new furniture and everything throughout the space. So from the outside, we still keep the historical aspect, but once you walk inside, we give it a more modern twist. That's one thing coming into the quad, is keeping the characteristics of the building. So even when you go into the suites, you're still going to see a lot of the characteristics in the ceilings, because you're still going to see some of the plaster, because you're not going to get a perfect ceiling like you do with sheetrock. You get the imperfections and the characteristics and the historical elements associated with it. All we did was come in and give it a modern look. We're still trying to stick with some of the historical aspects by bringing in certain furniture, but what you'll see from a modern perspective is literally our fireplace will stay the same throughout all buildings. Like the original fireplace is still here, and we don't change it from much.
The completion of Teague and Little helped us a lot up here in the upper quad, just kind of completing our second stage here with just kind of having the rooms redone with air conditioning units, which has been great for the residents so far. I know here over in Teague, right behind me, we've got our classroom done here too, which first year's experience is thrilled about as well. But of course, we're excited for, renovations for our common spaces there as well, so residents can enjoy those spaces nicer. And of course, the new furniture that we've put in those as well, such as the beds, dressers, chairs, all that good stuff. And just overall, just being able to get stage 2 finally done. Excited for the rest of it. So far, the students really enjoyed it. I think just opening up a renovated building, of course, has its fun to it, of course, just getting everything back in there. But from what I've got so far, they've really enjoyed it. They're very excited to be back in there. They wanted to get in there as soon as they could. I know the residents did as well. And so overall, from what I've heard from our RAs and students, they're enjoying it so far.
We really hope the students love it. We've been anytime we run into students as we're working in the quad, like, hey, you're really going to enjoy it. It's freshly, newly renovated, everything. But we even took the exterior perimeter walls out, with the exception of the brick, and re-insulated the walls. So we've done a lot in these 2 buildings to help give students a better feel and probably feel more secure.